Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make baguette. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. Before I start to make the baguette, I'm gonna need to calculate the temperature of the water I'm gonna use. Water calculation. Base temperature, 65 degrees Celsius. Room temperature, 24.2 degrees Celsius. Flour temperature, 24.4 degrees Celsius. Water temperature is equal to 65 minus 24.2 minus 24.4. Water temperature is equal to 16.4 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna check the temperature of the water I refrigerated. It's a bit cold. I'm gonna leave at room temperature to reach 16.4 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna place the bread flour, fresh yeast, levain, and mix together. The water has reached the temperature. I'm gonna pour, stir, dump it out onto the counter, work, add cooking salt, incorporate, and leave resting for 5 minutes. I'm gonna work until come together. Flour a container with a lid. Pull the sides, fold to the center. And leave resting for 1 hour. I'm gonna pull the sides and fold to the center. I'm gonna shape into bow. Wet my hands, beat gently. And fridge until next day. I'm gonna leave reaching 17 degrees Celsius. It has reached. I'm gonna flour the counter, transfer, lift the tip until the middle, fold the sides, fold them the second time, push gently to create some tension, shape into roll, and leave resting for 15 minutes. I'm gonna turn upside down. Beat gently to prevent to lose fermentation. Bring to the middle, press the tip gently, fold again, press the tip gently, and roll until form a 30 cm baguette. Transfer to a baguette baking tray. I'm gonna leave resting for 45 minutes. 20 minutes before, I'm gonna preheat the oven at 250 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna boil the water. Sprinkle bread flour. Slash 3 times diagonally with a very sharp blade. Place in the oven. Pour into the cake tin. And bake for 15 minutes. I'm gonna open to release the steam and bake for about 4 minutes. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!